Hi everyone! I have a really exciting little video today. So I've worked with this company before. They are Get a Hug Bear. I have a couple videos with them and I'm really excited because this Christmas season they are offering this little surprise blind box. You guys know I love me a blind box. I love a mystery box. So these are going to be so fun. I can't wait to open it with you guys. They did offer a coupon code for you guys. It is Vagabond and it will save you 15% off. So let's just dive on in. Here's what the front looks like. And then here are our little mystery bears right here. These are so cute. Like, honestly, they're all adorable. And there is a little secret bear right here, which looks like he has a little present on his head. But look, we have a gingerbread bear, a reindeer, Santa. Oh my gosh, this is the Grinch, it says. How funny. And we did unbox that one before, and a pig. And we have a snowman and a Christmas tree. So stinking cute. They are on all the socials, so you could go ahead and follow them. I'll also leave a link to them as well. So let's see what we got. I love when they have the little pull tab right here. Oh, this little bear guy's kind of cute too. So let's see. Their little plushies are so adorable. Okay, I got a little card, but I don't want to take a peek. And good thing it came out like that, because I'm going to guess the other side is going to tell me what I got. So I want to be completely surprised. Oh, I love when the little mystery bags have the little, like, etch right here to pull apart. So I'm going to close my eyes. Let you guys see first. I think we got the Santa, you guys. How cute. Look at his little rosy cheeks. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but he has little rosy cheeks. And he's so chunky. Oh my gosh, he's a keychain. Oh my gosh, look at his little tag. I don't remember my other ones having a little silver tag. What does the back say? Oh, it's completely the same thing, the Get a Hug. And we can just hug this right onto our purse. It is all so soft. The bears are always so soft and cute. And then they all come with like the little rosy cheeks. I'm going to see. Oh, you can. How fun would it have been if you could buy just the clothes? I need to go and look. Because you could just like accessorize your little guy. So his hat comes off. He does have a little loopy up here if you want to go ahead and move the key ring from the back over here in his back. You can move it up to the front. And look at his little clothes. Like, even after the holiday season, you could just go ahead and undress him. Oh my god, I didn't even notice. Look, his tail pops out his pants. How cute is that? But after Christmas, you can still use him as a little keychain or like a little purse charm. I think a little purse charm would be really cute. And their little bears do flex a little bit. So you just go ahead and sit him down. Oh, yeah, see, and then they come with a little patch on the back. So you got this, like, little leather piece right here, patch, and it matches... Where's our key ring? So it matches their little logo right there. Isn't he just adorable? Like, everybody has all these, like, little purse charms. So now you can have a little teddy that will go ahead and sit. Oh, put him on your desk, too, just for, like, decoration. Or just hang him up. And then you could just reposition him again if you want him to, like, be standing for your purse. Look at his sweet little eyes. So adorable. So cute. So that's our little video for today. Like I said, I'll leave a link down below with all of the, information, including our Vagabond coupon code and also our little product link. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are having an amazing day and we'll see you later. Bye guys.